Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So this is what showed up today. Astro Pneumatic paint shaker. Part number 4550A. Here's all the specifications. And we're gonna open this thing up and see what it does. See if we can make a mess. All right, we got the box open, got the instructions, got a paint and body specialty tool, Astro Pneumatic pamphlet with a bunch of tools and stuff on here. And it's got prices and stuff on the back. So that's pretty cool. Check that out later. Sorry about the heater running next to you, or next to me. Can't really hear much with it. So you don't want to just turn this thing on and put it on a bench. It's got to be bolted down. And right here it's got it says oil every use on the front where you hook the air into it. And then it's got to deal with a grease zert that says oil every 2 months. I wonder how many people actually do that. This is like the dullest razor blade. Isn't that the saying though? Dull knife will cut you. So it's crap. Looks like it's built pretty nice though. So you got the air inlet and all that good stuff. Let me get this thing put together and we'll see what it looks like. So one of the things that I was really stressed about is if you look right here, you know, when you look at the picture, it's kind of deceiving. It's kind of deceiving in the picture. These look like blue plastic because see that bottom is a blue plastic cover, but it's more like a poly where it's got a real thick, it's like a 1/2 inch or not, probably 3/8 inch thick right here. It's really deceiving in this picture, but I started looking at it and this is that rubber grippy stuff to hold the paint cans in so it doesn't slip out. And this is metal. These are metal, obviously they're probably aluminum, but you know, cast aluminum or whatever, but they'd be a lot stronger than plastic because I thought these were blue plastic. So it's kind of like, whoa, that's not cool. But yeah, I'm pretty jazzed about this. So I'll get it all hooked up and see if I can get it mounted to the bench, and we got to shake some paint up to get ready for paint anyway. So let's see what happens. My initial impressions on this thing is really nice. I mean, it's built real strong, real nice. It should last a while. But I thought it was pretty cool that they put a water filter in here too. That way you don't get water in the pneumatic motor from your compressor. And then you have this little ball valve. I'll put some, I already put Teflon tape. You want to make sure and put Teflon tape on there so it doesn't leak. I can't stand a freaking leaky ass hose. And then I'll Teflon tape this, put this there. And then on the end, I'll put my air chuck fitting thingy. Man, the stuff I go through to make YouTube videos for you guys. Yes, this is just temporary on here. I just want to see if it's going to shake this bench all over the place, because if it does, then I'm going to, behind us here, there's another wall. I'll build me a bench that's real sturdy on there and mount this over there. But I just want to see what's going to happen. Nice if they give you all the hardware to mount it to the bench and everything. So this, you can hear all the liquid in it. It's not shaking up at all. It feels like it's about right here. You know, it's completely solid. So here's the thing that threw me too, is you tighten it and it loosens, you loosen and it tightens. They have reverse threads on here. Why would they do that? Anybody? Plug it in with air. See what happens. That's what I was afraid of. So obviously you can't turn it on full blast or you'll shake this whole building apart. But it's got that air regulator on there. You can turn it up as much as you want, but like I said, I'm gonna have to move it over there, build something on that wall so I can have like a cover and everything over there. That way I can shake stuff up. But it's awesome. I'm glad that, I mean, it's powerful, you know. Seems like it holds it in there good. The whole wall's shaking. Awesome. eBay, 144 bucks, free shipping. I made the order after I paid it, and it was here in 3 days. So 3 days, fast. And pretty stoked to have it in the body shop. So this is gonna help a lot, because what happens, a lot of times I'll be doing something and I need primer or paint or whatever. It needs to be shooked up. I need to shake it up, and it's I gotta run out of the hardware store and borrow theirs, shake it up, and then come back here. And a lot of times, you know, when it's snowing and whatever, you gotta put off all your jacket and all your stuff, and it just sucks. So I told Heidi, I've been looking, you know, different paint shakers and stuff, and this is the one that kept coming up on eBay, and it was, you know, very reasonable, very cheap, not cheaply made. I was looking at it. This thing's actually made pretty damn good, which blows me away, because this is Astro Pneumatic, and I had some problems a while back with one of their tools on one of my old videos. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Appreciate you stopping by and watching the video, whatever. I got some other videos that I'll be loading in the next couple days. I am exhausted. I'm gonna go in and have some dinner. You guys have a good night. Later.